So I just pulled this Sergeant Spark sleeve thing, packs, singles. I put these right here. Appleton, Sylveon EX, Palisand EX, I guess I pronounced it right. And these A-Specs. All right, I'm gonna put these up in the sleeve it later. Let me just bust this Prismatic bundle. Real quick. I'd damage the whole box just trying to open this. Boom. Voila. Alright. Got the bundle. Okay. See let's hit some of this. I'm chasing for a God pack. Been manifesting. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, Pika Pika. Come on, Pika Pika. Down for that thing. Alright. So this got air in there. Yeah, air in this thing. This pack. Let's see what this do. See what this do. Okay, okay. Guess the energy. Fire. Water. Okay. Slow poke. Go fast forward. Boop. I got a big hit. There. Boom, boom, boom. No hits. All right. Just gonna go through it real quick. Got a Pokeball. Last night I opened this ETB and it was a lot of Pokeball. Yeah. Alright. This is the third pack. Yep. Come on. And I got these for retail. Got this for retail and this for today. I didn't have to drive far for this. It was like right by my job. Guess the energy. Green leaf of fire. Okay. Might be good. Come on. Let's get it. Professor Research. Kami. Too low. He ran. Crispin. Shaman. Dracula. I can't even read that. Can't even pronounce it right. Applin. Ooh. Come on, baby. It's a trainer. SIR. Amory. Okay, okay. No, that's not an SIR. I meant to say full art. What's this? This ultra rare. Okay. First hits. First good hit, I guess. Maybe. I know the Pokeball ain't that good, but it's a hit. For sure. We're on our fourth pack. Let's get it. Come on. Mwah. Kiss that thing. Get it. Get it. Come on. God pack, baby. God pack. God pack. God pack. This in the front. Can hide that Hollow Eevee. You know, I ain't never seen the God pack in person. You know, but I'm about to see tonight. Come on. With this hollow too. Come on, hollow all the way. Come on, baby. Come on. Training. Oh, no hollow. Okay. Still good though. By the way, on my 5th week, I hit the ombre on whatnot. I'm gonna show y'all maybe on the next stream. I got it tucked. Okay, a Pokeball. Let me see a good Master Ball or something. Man. Dumb sparse. Done sparse. Done sparse. Whatever. But it ain't gonna hit anyway. Alright, come on. I didn't really put my lips on it, but you know. Try to get this hit. Oh, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hit. Hit. No hits. Dang. No good, no good. Come on, baby. That's Pack Magic. That's Pack Magic. Boom. Bam. Pikachu EX. That's it. Have our. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's a good hit, man. Damn. Disappointed. I'm gonna try to get that 151 now. I have more fun than that on that pack than this Prismatic. All right, I'm gonna check this up. Check about that. I mean, on my English bad, but yeah, you know, just the hits right here. You know. See about these half art EX? I should make it cost more because there's a lot of good, like, you know, good looking card. Pika Pika.